realize that caulking a tub is no one's idea of fun. In fact, I'd rather do my own dental work than spend an afternoon scraping caulk. But there are certain home repair jobs that you must do, because the consequences of not doing so are much greater. Here I've already scraped out the caulk and taped the joint. Now I just need to apply a nice thick bead of caulk. Now you don't have to worry about being too neat here because we're going to end up scraping most of this out anyway. Now comes time to smooth the joint. And there are several tools available. You can even use your finger if you want. But here's the trick. Use an expired gift card. You can use the rounded corner to scrape along the joint there. And you watch this. See how smooth the bead comes out. And it also removes the excess caulk. And if you need to, you can just flip the card and go over again. Again, you're looking for a nice, smooth, even bead. There you go. That's perfect right there. Now what you want to do is make sure you remove the tape before the caulk cures. And now, depending on where you got the gift card, this might be the most value you got out of it.